Nakuba uNgqongqoshe wezemfundo Motshekga ekuhlehlisele isonto elizayo ukuvulwa kwezikole ezweni, kepha kwezinye izifundazwe zivuliwe izikole namhlanje. Ake sibheke ukuthi kuhambe kanjani osukwini lokuqala lokufunda kusukela kwafakwa i-lockdown.
Owengamele ezemfundo eWestern Cape uqinisekisile ukuthi izikole zizovulwa namhlanje kulesi sifundazwe, nakuba uNgqongqoshe wezemfundo ethe zizovulwa ngesonto elizayo. Kwesinye sezikole lapha kubonakale iqulu labafundi kanye nabazali bebhikisha belwisana nokuvulwa kwezikole ngelithi azikakakulungeli ukwemukela abafundi.
We feel that our kids is not safe in school. We feel that the schools is overcrowded. So if we live in overcrowded homes, what will happen to our parents, the children's grandparents, if they are the carriers?
It's actually sad because everybody's running around like headless chickens. We are not a poor country. And at the end of the day, I think that this should be a lesson to our country to actually concentrate more on the disaster management. Why are we waiting for a replica of another country when we ourselves are not a third world country? We are actually established. But for some reason or the other, we feel that we are being played in a game.
Ibalulekile into yokubuyela kwabantwana esikolweni. Kunjalo kunathi siyafuna ukubuyela esikolweni. Kodwa above that, sijonga impilo yabantwana bethu, sijonga impilo yotishara bethu. Njengabasebenzi kumele oba kule condition esiyibonayo ngoku babe bazakusebenza kanjani. Le class ekuyo ngoku yenye yeclasses ekufuneka abantwana bebuyele kuyo. Ndicinga oba mhlawumbi wonke umuntu together with iparliament, president necabinet bayabona ukuthi i-equipment or i-PPE esiyilindeleyo asikabi nayo kuba bangabe sinayo ngoku. Ngesinike kwiclass ready engabantwana bangabuyela kuyo kodwa on bottom of what I'm saying asiko ready.
Esifundazweni iNorthern Cape nakhona izikole zisavaliwe, kepha-ke esinye sezikole esizimele semukele abafundi bebanga ugrade 7 nababonakale befake izinto zokuzivikela. Umphathi wesikole uthi benze konke okusemandleni ukuze kuqhubeke ukufunda.
So ready, we have been preparing since last week Monday. We have first come in, we've cleaned the school normally, then we've sanitized the school, we received our PPE, and then we did the training of the staff up till Friday afternoon. So we were so excited this morning to open the doors and get our learners back. We have missed them. We are ready to carry on with our classes. We have worked out a training program, how to train them, how to conduct themselves with social distancing, how to get used to the masks.